Hey everyone! If you're looking to supercharge your productivity this year, you're in the right place. I'm diving into some of the coolest gadgets and tools that 2024 has to offer, aimed at making your workday as efficient as it can be. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the new iPad Pro, with the groundbreaking M4 chip. This beast isn't just about speed, it's about transforming how you manage tasks and projects. With its advanced features, it's like having a powerhouse at your fingertips, ready to tackle anything from complex spreadsheets to creative design projects. But it's not all about the iPad. Have you heard of the Clevetura CLVX One keyboard? This thing reads gestures. Yes, you heard that right. It allows you to swipe, pinch, and zoom just like you would on a touchscreen, but on your keyboard. This could completely change the way you interact with your computer, making it faster and more intuitive. Now let's shift gears and talk about something a bit more niche but incredibly useful. The foldaway laptop kit. Imagine being able to set up your workspace anywhere in seconds. This gadget is perfect for those who are always on the move, transforming any space into an office setup in no time. It's not just portable, it's a productivity powerhouse. And of course, we can't forget about AI project management tools. These tools use artificial intelligence to automate routine tasks, help predict project risks, and optimize resource allocation. Tools like ClickUp aren't just about managing tasks. They're about enhancing your decision-making and ensuring your project's success with predictive analytics. But remember, while these tools and gadgets are incredible aids, they're just part of the equation. They can enhance your productivity, but the real magic happens when you combine them with effective project management skills and techniques. It's about using the right tools in the right way. So there you have it. Whether it's the latest tech gadget or an AI-powered software tool, 2024 is packed with options to help you maximize your productivity. Embrace these tools, and you might just find yourself getting more done in less time than ever before. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a productive year ahead.